Hi guys, today we are making a creamy cauliflower and broccoli bake. Add the cleaned and washed cauliflower and broccoli to your casserole dish. Sprinkle on a little bit of salt and some melted margarine. To 2 cups of milk, I'm going to add a tablespoon of cream of mushroom soup powder, as well as a tablespoon of brown onion soup powder, some white pepper, and mix this well together. Pour it over the broccoli and cauliflower. Sprinkle on some cheese and some mixed herb, and then bake in a preheated oven for about half an hour until the broccoli and cauliflower soften. This goes perfectly with grills and braais.